So the Tempo network is yet another huge project we are having right now in the crypto space, and their testnet just recently went live few days ago. Here on this video, I actually want to guide you through the step-by-step tutorial how to get started with the testnet process and participate for absolutely free. Not to worry, you're not to spend any money on this, you're not making any form of mainnet transaction, it's purely testnet. Stick with me to the end of this video so you can actually get the original step how to perform this task, because if you skip this video, machi, you will not get it. So let's go straight into the tutorial ASAP. So for this update, you can decide to use any of your extension supported browser or your wallet. Okay, preferably either your Phantom or your MetaMask wallet for this. Okay, so I'll be giving you the link. Paste the link on your browser section, then you'll be asked to connect. For me, I'll be using my MetaMask, so I'll pick my MetaMask. So connect to your preferred wallet option. Now you'll be asked to add Tempo to MetaMask, so just click on it. The network will be added to your wallet automatically, just like this. Now they say add testnet fund to your wallet. Just click on add funds. It has been sent, so add testnet funds checked. If you click on add more, I think more might equally be sent. Then next they say show tokens. Just click on show tokens. You can decide to add these tokens. Okay, so let me click on add. All right, add token. Okay, click on the next one, add beta. All right, so after adding, now this is set your free token for EVM transaction. Just click set, confirm. If you click on it, you see there are other options here. Beta USD, set free. Just click on it, you confirm. You can also switch to Tether. So just do this. It's very simple. So I'll give you a link to this site. Paste it on your browser, then you click on connect to the same wallet. Okay, next you'll be asked to sign in. Click on the sign in button, then you confirm. So if it's your first time, you'll be asked to create an account, give a name, give email, then click on get started. Next, copy the code sent to your email, paste it here, and you click on verify. Click on where they say deploy now. Click here, upload any file photo of your choice. Come here, give any token name, a token symbol, description. Okay, I will just say this. Okay, scroll up. Okay, trusted. So make sure this chain is under Tempo testnet. Okay, then you click on deploy. As you have seen on this video, it's that simple. All you just have to do is to use either of your wallets, okay, and perform the task. It's just simple. No, just perform multiple transactions on daily basis and you're good to go. Probably as time goes on, more tasks will keep unfolding. Just stick around and make sure you follow me for more updates concerning the Tempo project. See you on the next video. Bye for now.